Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Pixverse V5. So Pixverse has recently launched its latest version which is called the V5. You can simply access it by going to the browser and searching for Pixverse V5, and after that you will get this first link which is the Pixverse. You have to click onto it. As you click onto it, you will get onto its website. Then first you have to simply sign up using your email address. You can just simply do it by clicking onto your account option, and then you will get signed up. Now once you get there, this will be the first interface that you will see of the Pixverse. So its latest version is the V5 that we will later know how to use it. So here we have different sort of work that you can see. You can get inspiration from there, and if you want to use any one of these, you can use it. Click onto it and you can mix up with your prompt or your reference images. So if you go to this option generative video, you will be able to create a video. Then we also have these other options through which you can create AI generated work. So from all these options, if you want to use the V5, then you have to click onto the first option, which is the generative video. Simply click onto this option, and after that you will see this interface. So first we have this model, which is the V5. You can click onto it and select the V5 if not selected, otherwise by default it is selected. Then you can set the duration of the video, and after that you can set the resolution as per your preferences, then the aspect ratio, and then you can just simply explore these simple options. Whatever option you select, you will get these options on your video, like the style or maybe the other options you select. So once you have selected your create count and the seed, once everything is done, now you can go to add the prompt. You can also select if you want the video or the image from the top. It's up to you. You can go with any one of these options. And if you want to add any reference image, like you give it an image and you ask it to replicate or just simply use the reference, you can also do it. And then the time comes when you have to add the prompt. Simply add your prompt, whatever you want in your video, and click onto this option. And after that, it will start working on generating the AI generated video. It will hardly take like a minute or a few seconds, and once this time passes, then you will see the video will be created. And here you can see the video has been created. Now you can click onto the video, it will play, and you will get the idea about the V5 version of the Pixverse, like how it works. Now you can download it, you can save it, and if you want to upscale it or you just want it to be recreated, you can do it from all these options. So that's how you can use the Pixverse V5. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.